Hey there, what if I told you that making money with AI is easier than ever? That's right, AI is no longer a thing of the future. It's here, and it's helping everyday people like you generate income in ways you've never imagined before. If you're ready to jump in, keep listening, because today, I'll show you how simple it can be to start earning with AI. The first thing you need to do is identify what area you want to focus on. AI can be applied to virtually any industry, whether it's e-commerce, real estate, consulting, marketing, or even personal finance. Don't worry about being an expert. AI can help you get up to speed in no time. Step 2. Find the right AI tools. With so many AI tools available today, you don't need to be a tech genius to use them. From AI chatbots to predictive analytics software, the options are endless. For example, they can automate customer support, saving you hours every week. Step 3. Set up your system. This is the easiest part. Most AI tools are designed with simplicity in mind. You don't need to know how to code or have a technical background. These platforms have easy-to-follow instructions that let you integrate them into your existing workflows. For example, setting up an AI chatbot on your website takes just a few clicks. Step 4. Automate and scale. Here's where the magic happens. Once your AI system is set up, it starts working 24/7 to generate income for you. You can sit back, relax, and watch as AI handles everything from customer support to sales to marketing. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. The final step is to keep an eye on how things are going and make small tweaks. AI systems are highly adaptive, so they learn and improve over time. But you'll still want to check in occasionally to ensure everything's running smoothly and adjust your goals if needed. AI tools often come with built-in analytics to show you what's working and where improvements can be made. By using this data, you can fine-tune your systems to maximize profits and minimize wasted effort.